Did you know the goddess of pop Cher with millions of fans around the globe till today is 78 years old and is dating 38-year-old Alexander Edwards?
I'm feeling good, you know. It's something that I kind of didn't think would happen and was kind of surprised when it did. But it's only because of David Geffen.
Also, congrats on your memoir. Anything we can expect?
Astonishing. No? Because just look at her. It feels like she stopped aging after 40.
To feel young. I'm not trying to be young. I am who I am.
A real woman is never too old.
Cher definitely has some amazing genes in the family, but it's her dedication to a healthy diet and consistent exercise routine that have really helped her maintain her strength, beauty, and that signature charisma over the years. Admiring her fitness and strength, no wonder she did 5-minute plank in her 70s.
And I can do a 5-minute plank, okay?
Once I did 5 minutes, but I'll never do that again.
Wow.
But I could do it like for two minutes without a sweat.
Discover the beauty and fitness secrets of Cher as we reveal her go-to workouts, favorite healthy foods, and what she avoids to stay in phenomenal shape. While Cher makes fitness look effortless, the truth is she puts in an incredible amount of hard work. In an exclusive interview with Hello Magazine, she shared that she trains 5 days a week with a personal trainer who challenges her not to play the age card. Cher understands that staying fit requires serious dedication as the years go by. Reflecting on her journey, she imparted a powerful message during a 2010 chat with eOnline: you have to work twice as hard. This is a reminder that real results come from effort, not just wishing for change. Cher's commitment to fitness is a lifelong passion, and she even released a book in 1991 dedicated to her diet and exercise regimen, declaring, "I've killed myself in the gym to have this body. There's no amazing secret that nobody else knows." But Cher doesn't just live in the gym. She knows how to make fitness fun too. When she's not working out, you might find her surfing, taking long walks, or playing Wii tennis. This blend of hard work and enjoyment shows that staying fit can be both rewarding and exhilarating. So, if you're curious about the secrets behind Cher's incredible physique, remember, hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of fun are essential ingredients. Now, let's talk about the foods that fuel Cher's energy. Believe it or not, she used to rely on junk food in her younger years during shoots of movies and series. In 1991, she consulted sports nutritionist Robert Haas and co-authored the book Cher Forever Fit, the lifetime plan for health, fitness, and beauty, who guided her toward healthier choices. One of her biggest dietary changes? Cutting down on dairy. Cher switched from whole milk to non-fat milk and believes cheese is one of the worst foods for the body due to its high fat content and poor digestibility. She does her best to avoid cheese altogether. While whole milk may be creamy and delicious, it's high in saturated fat, which can elevate cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Plus, it contains more calories, which can lead to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. For anyone watching their heart health, reducing saturated fat intake is crucial, making low-fat milk a smart choice. Low-fat milk retains many essential nutrients, such as calcium and vitamin D, but with significantly less fat and fewer calories. This means you can enjoy all the benefits without the extra saturated fat. Research shows that low-fat dairy options can help maintain a healthy weight and support cardiovascular health, making them an excellent choice for overall wellness. Now, let's dive into cheese. While it can enhance many dishes, it's often high in fat and sodium. Regularly consuming cheese can lead to weight gain and elevated cholesterol levels. Plus, it can be difficult to digest, causing discomfort and bloating. Cher is aware of this and opts to limit her cheese intake to maintain her energy levels and avoid feeling sluggish. By choosing low-fat milk and being mindful of her cheese consumption, Cher demonstrates that it's possible to enjoy delicious yet healthier options that support long-term wellness. It's all about finding balance and fueling your body with the best choices. But don't think Cher sacrifices all treats. She has confessed to snacking on M&Ms and goldfish while filming, although she eventually swapped those for healthier options. A fun discovery? Cher and her co-star Michelle Pfeiffer learned they could microwave sweet potatoes in just 4 minutes, completely revolutionizing their snacking game. Now, Cher thrives on sweet potatoes and baked potatoes. These vibrant tubers are not only visually appealing but also packed with health benefits. They are loaded with vitamin A, keeping your skin glowing and your immune system strong. Plus, they're a fiber powerhouse, helping to keep your tummy happy and satisfied so you can snack smart without the guilt. Sweet potatoes also have a low glycemic index, which is kind to your blood sugar levels goodbye. Sugar Crashes Cher's meals also include brown rice, legumes, vegetables, and yes, pasta. She even has her own delicious pasta recipe that include these healthy ingredients. 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 tablespoon green pepper minced, 2 clove garlic minced, 1 pound ground chicken thighs, 2 tablespoon dried basil, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, half tablespoon red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon fresh ground black pepper, a 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, a 28-ounce can whole peeled tomatoes, 1 cup water. Pasta gives me a lot of energy, as do fruits like bananas, papaya, and nectarines, she shared. Bananas are fantastic energy boosters, packed with potassium to keep your muscles happy. Papayas are nature's digestive aid, loaded with enzymes that promote gut health and a glowing complexion. And nectarines, they're juicy powerhouses filled with vitamins A and C, giving your immune system a major lift while keeping your skin radiant. Now, let's explore the foods Cher avoids to maintain her remarkable health and vitality. But before that, don't forget like this video, share and hit the subscribe button. In a candid tweet, she revealed that she steers clear of ham and red meat altogether. "I don't like meat," she stated, emphasizing that her food choices focus on health and well-being. Most of the foods she enjoys are nutrient-dense and wholesome, except for the occasional dessert. During a Hello interview in 2013, Cher reiterated her commitment to a strict, low-fat diet, declaring, "I try to avoid foods with a high-fat content because they make me sluggish and keep my weight up." This commitment is essential, as high-fat foods can lead to various health issues. Diets rich in saturated fats, often found in red and processed meats, can elevate cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Additionally, excessive consumption of these foods can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are associated with chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension. Cher's avoidance of these meats reflects a broader understanding of how certain foods can hinder energy levels and overall vitality. By focusing on healthier alternatives, she ensures her body feels light and energized, allowing her to maintain her active lifestyle. Cher's approach highlights the importance of making mindful food choices that support physical, mental, and emotional well-being. This dedication to healthy eating is a cornerstone of Cher's lifestyle. She's always been an advocate for cutting out unhealthy foods, declaring, "I don't do drugs, I never drink coffee, and I almost never drink alcohol or eat red meat, so I'm way ahead of the game." Cher's relationship with food isn't about restriction. It's about making smart choices that fuel her body and keep her feeling fabulous. By prioritizing nutritious options and avoiding high-fat foods, she ensures she has the energy and stamina to perform at her best and enjoy life to the fullest. Cher's unwavering commitment to health is a true inspiration, showcasing how conscious food choices can lead to a vibrant and dynamic lifestyle. At age 78, her remarkable dietary habits from over 3 decades ago continue to empower her, proving that healthy eating is a lifelong journey. Cher's approach aligns seamlessly with the Harvard diet, prioritizing an abundance of colorful fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Experts, including Harvard nutrition lecturer Lillian Chung, emphasize that this nutritious way of eating doesn't just boost your well-being. It's a powerhouse strategy for preventing major chronic diseases like cardiovascular issues, certain cancers, and type 2 diabetes. Cher embodies the belief that the right foods can transform our energy and vitality, motivating us all to make mindful choices at every meal. So, if you want to channel your inner Cher, remember, every bite counts. Make those delicious, nutritious choices that elevate your health and spirit. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through Cher's secrets to staying fabulous. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible insights. And stay tuned, because up next, we'll introduce you to another true inspiration. Julia Hawkins, a 108-year-old who's defying age with her top 5 anti-aging foods. Learn the secrets that keep her youthful and discover powerful tips to supercharge your wellness journey. See you in the next video.